Hi everyone and welcome back to the Jolie Beauty channel. Today we're going to show you how to get this devilish Halloween look, so if you want to find out how, then keep on watching. I've started the tutorial with my base already done. I'm using the Illamasqua Skin Base in 7.5 and the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Vanilla. The eyeliner I'm using is a Barry M waterproof eyeliner in white. This look's got a half devil, half glam look to it, so I'm just going to sketch out where the divide's going to be. On the glam side of my face, I'm just going to quickly fill in my brows. I'm using our Budge Proof Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Ash Brown and the I-10 brush to do that. Next I'm taking the Born This Way concealer again. And the number 5 flat brush just to carve out those brows a little bit to make a really clean line. Next up I'm taking the number 6 brush and this red shade from our Wildfire palette, and I'm just packing that colour all over the lid. I'm then taking our pencil brush and just dragging that colour underneath the eye and blending it out with the number 7 brush. I'm quickly tightlining my eye just to make the look stand out a little bit more, and for that I'm using the Illamasqua Precision Gel Liner and the number 10 brush. I then did a simple wing liner with the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I look very excited here because I'm using a new product that we can't reveal just yet. And I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight underneath my brow bone with the number 8 flat brush. I'm then going to do the same to the inner corner of my eye. And then using the number 8 face brush, I'm just going to add a little bit to the tops of my cheekbones. Next up I'm adding a little bit of glitter. This is the red shade out of the Bomb.com palette. As ever, you should always use a stiff flat brush to apply your glitters. I topped off the look with a little bit of mascara. Next we're on to the fun side. I wanted to cover my brows up a little bit, so I'm just using some Pritt Stick. It's better to use the clear one, but I only had the white one at hand. I'm just pushing it into my brows and then combing it upwards just so the hairs lay a little bit flatter to my face. Then I just popped some concealer and some powder over the top just to set it. So just taking the red shadow from the Wildfire palette and an old brush, I'm just going to stipple this on all over my face. Once that was done, it was time to blacken the eyes, and I went in with the Illamasqua Gel Liner again. The number 1 brush is perfect for packing the colour on. And then I blended it out at the edges with the number 7 fluffy brush. To make sure it was really dark, I added a little bit more of the Illamasqua gel just on the waterline on the closest inner parts of my eye. I then added the blackest matte lipstick in the world. This is the shade Demise from the Air Matte Liquid Lipstick collection. I wanted to create that curled up skin effect, so to do that I needed to create a shadow. Therefore I took the Illamasqua Precision Gel liner again and just started sketching out the dark bit that would be underneath of the skin. Make sure the bit by the fresh skin is nice and crisp, and then just blend that dark colour into the red to create that shadow effect. Just keep going back and forth until you get that perfect blend. Next I wanted to add a bit of dimension to the face, so I took the Wildfire black shadow and the number 8 face brush just to carve out the contour of my cheeks. I took the carve of the cheekbones slightly downwards at the end to give a devilish look. I kept alternating between the number 1 eye brush and the number 8 face brush just to get that nice contoured blend. Next up I started working on the skin folds. The folds are an illusion of light and dark, so you need to take a white eyeliner pen and pop it where you want the top of the folds to be. I then took the brown shadow from the Luxe Glitz palette on the number 10 eye brush. You want the shadow to be darkest where the folds are closest together, and then as the folds become more apart from one another, you can fade the brown out, and this will give an optical illusion of the skin draping together. Once I'd got all the lines in place, I just started blending them slightly together with a clean number 5 brush. Then it's time to put some horns on. As you can see, it wasn't very successful, but then I added some of our lash lock glue onto the base and that stuck them on really securely. I then took the number 6 brush again and just added a little bit of red around the base of the horns. Time to add a contact lens and a wig, and our devilish look is complete. We are also giving away one Wildfire palette. All you have to do to enter is comment below and suggest a video that you'd like to see from us in the future. The winner will be drawn on the 5th of November. Good luck everyone!